types of noise in the signal. So before that, the first thing we have to know what do you mean by a noise in communication system. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by a noise?
Noise is basically a unwanted signal which interferes with the communication.
So coming to the block diagram of the communication system, suppose if we want to transmit a bit or whatever it may be a signal or whatever it may be, pictures or whatever it may be. Here, from the transmitter to the receiver, we are going to send the signal. So in between that, the channel has been connected. So with the help of the channel only, we are going to transmit the data from the transmitter to the receiver. So at that time, while transmitting the data, what happens means the noise has been added when it is transmitted from the transmitter side to the receiver side. So the main objective is we have to reduce the noise. So here we are going to discuss about the noise in FM receivers. Suppose if we are going to hear a message, hear a song or music, whatever it may be, the noise is the most unwanted disturbances. So in this case study video, we are going to see how we are going to eliminate the noise in the FM receivers. So let us see what are all the things we are going to see, how we are going to reduce the noise in the FM receivers.
So hello everyone, today I am going to give you the short introduction of noise in FM receivers. So you just imagine you are listening to your favorite radio station, but instead of hearing your favorite music, you are hearing his or some trap sounds or unwanted signals. So that's a noise. So noise is basically an unwanted signal which interferes with the communication. So noise can be any kind of electrical disturbance which really degrades the quality of the received signal. So in FM receivers, even though frequency modulation resists the amplitude noise, some kinds of noise still affects the signal reception. So understanding noise is crucial for designing a better communication system. At the same time, we have to ensure in the high quality signal reception.
So yes, just like Kanishka told, there are various kinds of noise. So let me just talk about the different types of noise that we have. So starting off with thermal noise, and then there goes short noise and transit time noise. So thermal noise is nothing but it is causes due to the random motion of the electrons in the semiconductors and resistors as well. So it is mostly present in all of the receivers. And coming to the short noise, it is due to the random motion of the electrical charge carriers that is in the semiconductors and also in electrical devices. Coming to the transit noise, so it is mainly present in the high frequencies. So because the electron actually takes a finite number of time to cross the path of the semiconductors. So due to that, this type of noise occurs. And apart from these type of noises, there are other external noises as well, which includes atmospheric noise, cosmic noise, and many more. So in atmospheric noise, the noises like storms, thunder, lightning, that will include. And there is also industrial noise as well. So that comes from the noise from the motors and other electrical appliances. And there was the cosmic noises, which actually comes directly from the sun and other outer spaces. So these are some of the noise which we actually get.
Okay, here I explained how FM is less affected by the amplitude modulation, but still suffers in the hissing sound. Now FM noise actually differently affected. In AM, amplitude may change. Any change in the amplitude, the noise may affect it. But in FM, it's still given static or fading. In FM, still have a weakness, which is sensitivity to the high frequency random noise, like hissing sound or crab sound. Whereas in FM, when two FM signals are moved together, usually locks the stronger one and ignores the weaker one. The weaker noise can become the stronger one, and which gives a better quality. So this is what FM is really gives a better quality than compared to the AM.
So let me talk about the prevention and reduction techniques of noise in FM receiver. So there are many techniques that is used for prevention and reduction of this FM receiver. So first comes is the pre-emphasis and de-emphasis technique. So in the pre-emphasis part, the higher frequencies are boosted before the transaction is called as pre-emphasis, and de-emphasis is at the receiver the higher frequency signal is transmitted to the lower frequency is called as de-emphasis part. And next technique can be used as limited circuit. It also reduces the amplitude from the external noise. And next is the better shielding and antenna effect, and it reduces the external noise that is caused by the external environments around. So the using and high quality of receivers in the part. So using and high quality of components in the receiver signals can also may reduce the noise in the FM